I'm back with plant-based sweet potato ricotta stuffed shells. Enjoy. Eating plant-based, my Ninja blender is a lifesaver. What I did was I'm going to start with the sauce first. I put kale, mushrooms, multi-peppers, and onions in my Ninja, and I chopped it up. So I started with my pan on medium high. I put some coconut oil in there, and then I added my mixture from the Ninja blender. Now I added Beyond Meat crumbles to it. In the blender, I blended it up and I added it to my mixture. However, you don't have to. I just wanted my sauce to be very hearty. I like to use nutritional yeast, so I added it here. I also added a vegetable bouillon cube, and I also added some minced garlic. Now, normally I try to make my tomato sauce homemade, but this time I went the Aldi's route. Just as good. I used the mushroom flavored tomato sauce, and I used the garden and basil tomato sauce. I just stir it around in my mixture, and then I allow it to simmer on the stove for a little while I get ready to prepare my filling. All right, so it's up to you how many sweet potatoes you want to use. I only needed 2. I wasn't making a whole lot. I boiled them and then I mashed them up in the bowl. Okay, after you mash it up, add some oregano. Then you're going to add some basil. And then I added some garlic powder. Now let's move on to the second half of our filling, our ricotta. I use kale vegan ricotta. Oh yeah, I added some more nutritional yeast. You got to get it in there. I added parsley and also some rosemary. Then you're going to mix it all up in your bowl and get ready to stuff your shells. Now you can use any type of shells you want to use. Just take a spoon, take your mixture, stuff it. You can understuff it, overstuff it, or stuff it just right. It's all up to you. You're going to take your sauce that you made earlier, line it in the bottom of the pan, put your shells on top of that, and then you're going to pour some sauce on top of that, a little parsley, put it in the oven, bake for a little while. I'll put that recipe in the description box though. I hope you enjoy.